I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Hi, my name is Setia Ningrum, and now I will explain the English assignment from the journal The Implementation of Islamic Law at the Early Spirit of Islam in Indonesian Archipelago. First of all, I will explain the general description of the content of the journal. Islamic law derived from the Quran and the Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad. The universality and the practicality of Islamic law are motivated by two dimensions, the dimension of divinity, ilahiyah, and the human dimension, insaniyah. The graduality principle Tadaruj has been applied of legislative process of Islamic law in Indonesia. The history of Islamic law in Indonesia can be described in three periodization, such as Islamic Kingdom period, the Dutch colonial period, the period of independence. The law of Islam has a great opportunity to enrich the tradition of law in Indonesia. As an authoritative source, Islamic law becomes subnational legal system without requiring acceptance of customary law. As a subnational legal system, all component and system in Islamic law are transformed into the national legal system. Next, secondly, I will explain the journal in introduction by analyzing several categories. Nominal sentence 1. The dimension ilahiyah and insaniyah of Islamic law are inseparable from the history of Islam in Indonesian legal legislation. 2. The dimension of divinity a picture that Islamic law is the direct provision of Allah. 3. Islamic law is beyond the limit of space and time. 4. The human dimension is the description that detailed furu'iyah of Islamic law is the result of Muslim efforts. 5. Muslim in Indonesia are not only as the majority population in Indonesia, but also in the world. 6. The dimension of divinity ilahiyah and the human dimension insaniyah of Islamic law is appropriate to development agenda of national law. 7. The application of Islamic law in Indonesia is not only to reward this majority population. Verbal sentence 1. The flexibility of Islamic law make it able to adapt to the time. 2. The Islamic law legislation become the interesting and complex discussion. 3. The state principle of Indonesia provides an open space toward the implementation of Islamic law to its adherents. 4. The particularity of Islamic law will appear when review the various aspects and characteristics. 5. Muslims and centuries but has not reached the level of comprehensive from the according to the Quran and Hadith. 6. The religious leaders who try to interpret and implement the vision of Islamic law. 7. Indonesian is not the Islamic state, but still gives the right to Muslims to practice their faith. Next, nominal simple present tense. 1. Subject, the dimension ilahiyah and insaniyah of Islamic law. To be, are. Complement, inseparable from the history of Islam in Indonesian legal legislation. 2. Subject, the dimension of divinity. To be, is. Complement, is a picture that Islamic law is the direct provision of Allah. 3. Subject, Islamic law. To be, is. Complement, beyond the limits of space and time. 4. Subject, the human dimension. To be, is. Complement, The description that details furu'iyah of Islamic law is the result of Muslim efforts. 5. Subject Muslim, to be or not. Complement only as the majority population in Indonesia but also in the world. 6. Subject, the dimension of divinity ilahiyah and the human dimension insaniyah of Islamic law. To be is complement appropriate to development agenda of national law. 7. Subject, the application of Islamic law. To be is not complement only to reward this majority population. Verbal simple present tense. 1. Subject, the flexibility of Islamic law. Verb, makes. Complement, it able to adapt to the times. 2. Subject, the Islamic law legislation. Verb, becomes. Complement, the interesting and complex discussion. 3. Subject, the state principle of Indonesia. Verb, provides. Complement, an open space toward the implementation of Islamic law to its adherents. 4. Subject, Muslim. Verb, reached. Complement, the level of comprehensive from according to the Quran and Hadith. 5. Subject, the religious leaders. Verb, try. Complement, to the interpret and implementation the vision of Islamic law. 6. Subject, Indonesia. Verb, gives. Complement, the right to Muslim to practice their faith. Next, active voice sentence. 1. Islamic law according to ijtihad of the religious leaders. 2. The Islamic law legislation become the interesting and complex discussion. 3. The level of comprehensive from according to the Quran and Hadith. 4. The flexibility of Islamic law make it able to adapt to the times. 5. The absorption of the Islamic law norms include the attempt to transform the norms of Islamic law into the product of the state legislation. Next, passive voice sentence. 1. The universality and practicality of Islamic law are motivated by two dimensions. 2. The sacred and purity are maintained. 3. Ilahiyah dimension of Islamic law is not limited by geographical, historical, sociological, and political boundaries. 5. The religious leaders is allowed to be studied, more actual, revised, and refined. 5. Islamic law has been practiced by Muslims in Indonesia since centuries. 6. The fact described the legislation of legal norm in a country will be affected by the impact of the various interests from many parties and socio-cultural issues. 7. The national legislation is derived from Western legal norms, customary law, and Islamic law. 8. The complexity of implementation the Islamic law in Indonesia is caused by several factors. 9. Islamic law has been implemented by Muslims and centuries. 10. The Islamic law code has not been developed optimally by Muslims in Indonesia. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.
My price don't it look nice?
You look nice, don't you?
I bet we could roll out. When I show up, show out. Didn't know that, but I know.